my loves, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, I'm BELINA, 22 years old. I own my own yarn brand, and I'm currently on my mission to find my way back to my spark, because this year was an emotional roller coaster, and I somehow can't wait for this year to end, because I don't know what was this year, guys. As beautiful as the beautiful things were, as horrible were the horrible things. I feel like I can't put in words how emotionally challenging this year was for me, and I feel very lost. And I am currently working a lot on myself and really being closer to myself than I've ever been. And we already started this journey. Like in the last video, we cleaned out my closet together with a friend of mine, and she's also helping me to really, you know, find my style without thinking so much about the opinions of other people that are or were in my life. So yeah, there's a lot of space for change and growth, and I want to take you with me. And today we are doing a little declutter day in my home. Not really declutter, but organized, because right now my apartment is a mess. I decluttered a lot of clothes which have to go on my Vinted. I already did that yesterday. I'm gonna show you later. But that also means that I have a lot of clothes without a home. In my bedroom, I still have my luggage not unpacked, so I have to do this. I have to do laundry. I want to change my bed sheets. I need to really clean the kitchen, and I just want to, I don't know, maybe do a little changes in my apartment, because I feel like I need small redecorations, you know? So I would say let's start. I already have a sourdough bread on my kitchen counter, because that also is what really sparks joy to me. It's baking, especially sourdough bread. So we're gonna give this dough a little stretch, and then you will see me do whatever I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep you updated. Let's just start. I hope this video gives you joy, motivates you to find your way back to your spark if you're looking for yours. And I'm excited to share this journey together with you, and we can do it, okay? We can do it. This is not the end. We just need a little refresh. So I would say let's start. First things first, the kitchen, because I always feel like this makes the most difference. So we have to do the dishes, we have to do all whatever this is, mix my sourdough bread, and after the whole kitchen is clean and organized, at least the counter, I think the rest is fine, then I get to treat myself with a coffee. So let's go. One hour in, the kitchen is clean. I also did some stretch and folds with the dough, and now it's time for coffee. I also cleaned the coffee machine because that was well overdue. So yeah, it was a pretty good clean. Everything is really clean. Happy me. It is now around 2:30. That means it's time for lunch, and then we will continue with the rest of the apartment. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee real quick and make some lunch. Girl dinner, or like more lunch. I try to eat as healthy as possible when like the fall in Berlin starts to be like this and I have to like work and stay indoors a lot. I try to nourish my body with like some healthy food. So here we have a salad. Base is like spinach and rucola salad. I don't know the English word for rucola salad. I think it's a different kind of word. But anyways, I did some vegetables in the air fryer. Go-to food right now. It's so quick. I just like cut some onions, paprika, tomatoes, and like kidney beans for some proteins in the air fryer with my homemade chili oil. Ooh, I'm Nara smithing. No, and like here I have some protein, soya yogurt, and some nuts on top. And that's the lunch. Tiny lunch, but healthy one. And I am going to write a little to-do list on what to do today, and I'm going to post a reel. I just had to do some collaboration work stuff because it's about like today's Friday, and that means I have to answer mails before everyone goes into the weekend. So now I procrastinated the cleaning. It is 4:30 and now it's time to clean this area, and also I am going to get the first laundry into the washing machine, just like my bed stuff, so I can, you know, I can get it dried before I head to bed tonight. Let's go. Next on this table, I think it's gonna be a quick one, but let's put all of these things that are not meant to be on here aside. And when there's one thing that I learned in my past decluttering videos, it's do not put all the things that are meant to be in the place first to then come back to organize, but put them right where they belong, organized. Because then you don't make more of a mess, you make tiny steps, but every step is making it clean, you know? Table is clean. Living room desk area is going to be a quick one too, I think. But I just want to kind of like, I don't know, clean these kind of messy things. And I need to do the desk, like the organization part. I just did some laptop work I had to do. I had to post a little collaboration. So I had some on my phone duties. And now we continue. I'm gonna give you a little overview of where we're at. I cleaned the little area here, freshed up the table, and then I organized the cables. Even they don't look organized, this is the most organized it can get. I organized the crochet project. These are the current work-ons. It's like work-ons, and I'm going to finish them with the tutorial more soon. Here's the other work-on. I cleaned the table. I organized all of the stuff that was around here, and I finally also reorganized this one and my pens, because all my pencils were never organized, and also my crochet hooks were in like a way smaller jar, and it was like not working anymore. So yeah, that's that. I also tried to reorganize the plant on like this little ladder thing, but it's somehow not working. I think I would need 2 people to kind of like, you know, completely rearrange her, but that's not happening. So yeah, that's the current look like from this. I organized my little crochet stack here, also the current like work-ons, and yeah, other than that, we're like finished with this area. And now off to the bedroom, which is the most horrible part, I think. Probably not, we can do it, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna do the bed now and throw it into the washing machine, and then let's go. Girl dinner. Cheers. Time for some more energy to then tackle the rest. I'm almost done with the bedroom, but I need some energy first, so I also organized like the vintage stuff in like little sections. I can show you. It's like separated in like jeans and pants and stuff. And tomorrow I think I'm gonna continue with pictures and uploading them. And I have to also get some to the post office because some pieces already found a new home. And now I'm gonna do the bathroom, but other than that we're kind of finished. So off to the bathroom. Clean. We're ignoring the cream. I'm waiting for the sheets to get dry. Until then, I'm currently doing some laptop work. The sheets are dry. Oh my gosh. No way, this is funny. Well, that timing was a bit too crazy actually, but it feels dry. So I can make my bed. I filmed this other Last clip was filmed 2 hours ago, and do you know what I'm doing right now? I'm fixing the BELINA website. I cannot do this anymore. Why am I low-key coding at this point? Right now, like, I learned how to code. That's like what it feels like. I don't know, guys. Everything of this business stuff right now just feels very out of hand, even though it isn't, but it just feels like it. And I hate doing everything on my own, but somehow the last times I tried to give some of the work to someone else, they failed. And then I ended up explaining it to them fail, and then me having to do it all over again. And that's what I'm basically doing right now too. Because one of the apps they were supposed to make to function completely ruined everything else, kind of. Great, right? So now I'm learning how to code. Oh, guys. Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. Why is like owning a business so hard right now? I like love this brand so much, and this takes away so much joy of it that it makes me angry. Anyways, that's a different kind of video, I would say. But I'm gonna do my bed now, and then I'm gonna head to bed because it's almost 1 AM. And I need to get some sleep because tomorrow at 8 I have a Pilates class. Oh no, yoga class. Guys, that's it for tonight. It's 1 AM. I'm going to bed now. I'm sending love. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little getting my spark back while decluttering my apartment, kinda. Already feel a lot more lighthearted and organized for the next crochet projects to start, because we are getting closer to drop number 3 preparations from BELINA, and I have a lot to crochet, and also will of course take you with me throughout the next videos. There will be some tutorials coming. Stay tuned, and I would say good night. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, leave a like, leave some love in the comments, and check out my other socials if you want to, and subscribe if you want to join this little club. Sending love, kisses, and have a lovely rest of the night or day or weekend. Sending love.